of dreaming through the world, clouds and smoke of longing thoughts, people reaching for the moon, for the moon. Sound of dreaming through the world, crying softly in my soul, like a fancy far away, far away. Hear the grass grow being blue, see the stars fall from the sky, touch the wood, all in love. Through the world, creeping deep into my mind, blowing gently like the wind, like the wind. Sound of dreaming through the world, come to me like winds of spring, stay with me and give me peace, give me changing of the seasons, see the rivers join the ocean, hear them whisper about love. The world keeps turning on, the world keeps turning on. Through the world, clouds and smoke of longing